Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about that how can we plot simple bar chart. So first of all, we will discuss about the function that we will use in this video. So in this video, we will use the bar plot function to create a bar plot, and the data about is we need to create two variables which is of x and y variable, and in these variables we will put our data. So about the code, we need to use our bar plot function first, and then we need to write here the first our second variable which is y, and which act as a x variable, and then the names dot arg to use the first variable of x to act as a y variable. So then we need to use a main function to and then we need to xlab and ylab and then color function. So now we will discuss about that these attributes, these things that I have used in this code. The first one is the x and y, which are variables, and then is the color, which is used to given the color to this plot, and then the names dot arg to specify the varieties and the values of the x-axis. And the next one is the main, which is used to label the graph, xlab to use the label x-axis, ylab to use the label y-axis, and then the lim to specify the limit of the y-axis. And then we need a border function to give to specify the color of the border of the chart. So now we will move towards our code, that is to create a simple bar chart. Here you can see I have created an example that a student passed exam, and he scored a 45, 75, 65 and 85 marks in 4 subjects, that is of math, English, Urdu and chemistry respectively. So now we need to use these data to create a bar plot. We will put here in the x variable that these subjects which is math, English, Urdu and chemistry, and in the y variable, which is basically used as along the y-axis, which is 45, 75, 65 and 85. Now we will use a bar plot function to create our bar plot, and then we will put here the y variable, which is used here as a which is plotted on the y-axis, y-axis, and the names dot arg function is basically used to create these variables on the x-axis. Now the second thing is we need to here to label the x-axis by using the xlab function, and I will label it by the subjects, and then here the ylab function, which is basically used to specify the used to label the y-axis, which is basically marks. So the next is the main heading of the bar, which is basically marks in subjects. Then we need to give the color to these, which is basically red. Then we need to specify the lim function. Lim function basically used to specify the limits of the y-axis that can be specified in this way. For example, I will specify it from 0 to 90, and then we can also create a border color, for example, which is blue. Now you after running this code, you can see here the output of this code, which is like this. So you can see here that this is basically the output, that it is a basically label of this chart, that is marks in subject, and here the marks of the which is labeled along the y-axis, and here these are the subjects which is labeled along the x-axis. And this is basically the main function of the names.arg, which is basically given the names of the x-axis, which is basically about the subjects. So these names, that is math, English, Urdu and chemistry, is given by the functions that is basically names.arg. Now here you can see here that I have already put another thing that this which is density. You can also give density to these bar plots. Like in this case, I will specify here that the 15 density. So now you can see here the output of this 16, 15 density, which is basically looks like this. Now you can also specify, you can increase or decrease the density, which basically looks very fantastic in this bar chart. So this is all about the simple bar chart, that how can we create a simple bar chart by using the simple values or by using the data. So I hope this video is very helpful for all of you. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos.